A security analyst has been asked by the Chief Information Security Officer to develop a secure method of providing centralized management of infrastructure, reduce the need to constantly replace aging end-user machines, provide a consistent user desktop expenence. Which of the following best meets these requirements? A. BYOD. B. Mobile device management. C. VDI. D. Containers ation. Answer: C. The best answer to this question is C. VDI, Virtual Desktop Infrastructure. VDI allows for centralized management of infrastructure, reduces the need to constantly replace aging end-user machines, and provides a consistent user desktop experience. With VDI, desktops are hosted on virtual machines in a central server, and users access them remotely through thin client devices or even their own personal devices, which is a secure method for accessing desktops and applications from anywhere. BYOD, Bring Your Own Device, and Mobile Device Management, MDM, may be useful in certain scenarios, but they do not fully meet the requirements listed in the question. BYOD allows users to bring their own devices to work and use them for business purposes, but it does not address the need for centralized management of infrastructure and consistent user experience. MDM is a set of policies and technologies used to manage mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets, but it is not directly related to desktop management. Containers, while useful for application development and deployment, are not directly related to desktop management or infrastructure management, and they do not address the need for a consistent user experience. Therefore, the best answer is C. VDI.